So here's a quick how-to video to show you how to add another user or a team member to your ManyChat account. This is very helpful if you've got, say, a VA or somebody else going into your ManyChat to set up all of your automations for you. So it's a very simple process. Once you are in ManyChat, you want to go into settings, and then you want to go into team members. And then over here, you want to go on the right-hand side to invite new team member. You want to choose the role that they're going to do. So once you've chosen the role, if you click on all of the different options, you can see what they're able to do. Choose the role that you want to do, generate a link, and then you need to send that link to the person that you want to add as a team member. They will be able to click on that link and they will then get added to your ManyChat account. It does say there that this link is only valid for 24 hours and can only be used once. So whoever you are adding, make sure they know to look out for that link so that they can do this straight away. And that's how it's done. Drop me a follow for more hints and tips.